How to set up proxy server setting in Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can set up proxy setting on your Google. So without any further ado, let's dive right into. First step, open up your Google Chrome. Then tap on the three dots on the top right here. Then find settings. So scroll down till you find settings right here. Open that up. Then what you'll need to do is you will need to find system. So search for system here. Then after you find system, there you should find proxy. So here you'll see Chrome is using proxy settings from an extension. You can disable this for now. So let's open up proxy setting on your computer. This is what you guys will see on your screen. Tap on that and this should open up your proxy settings. And here you will see automatic proxy setup. So it's currently set on automatic. We'll need to set it up as manually. So tap on setup here right besides manual. Then tap on this use proxy server. Now here you'll need to type in your proxy IP address and a port. So for that, if you don't have one already, you can simply find one. For that, you can open up your Google Chrome, search for free proxy. So let's search for free proxy server. So this website is actually really good. You can find free proxies available. So let's tap on free proxy. And there you can see a lot of different proxies available. So the IP address for it, different countries, and different protocols, ports, and everything. So let's choose this one right here and then paste it here. Do the same again. Copy the port. Go back here, paste the port, and then tap on save. Doing that, you'll have just set up your proxy. Now you can just turn this off, turn your automatic detect setting off. Then use your proxy. Here you can tap on this on option to set it on. And with that, you now have free proxy setting on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye. Take